things today. My name is Anand Vishay. Today I start the new chapter of class 6 and the chapter number is 4 and the chapter name is Microsoft Excel 2016. Students, you have already know about the Excel. Excel is the great kinds of interface where we put the data in the row and column format. It allows to the calculation, also it able to store and organize and analyze the data. But the Excel 2016 have some new features that you have find out in this chapter, like autofill and the flash fill feature is specially designed for the MS Excel 2016. We have started the topic. The first you have selecting cells. You have know about the Excel contains the numbers of cells. It is build up the combination of numbers of cells. So how we select the cells, like a row oblique column. Click on the row and column heading. When you select a particular cell, you have just click on to it. If you want to select the entire worksheet, just click on Ctrl A and the select all button. If you find out the adjacent row, that means one by one cells. If you select the first row oblique column, hold down the shift key and then you select the last row and column. Non-adjacent, that means the intermittent row. If you left the some cell, then you select it. Again left, then you select it. Not in the continuous manner. That is called non-adjacent row or a column. If you act the selection like this, you can use the control key and make the selection. So we have working on to this one in the practical scenario. I have already prepared a result kind of sheet that contains the number of different column, roll name, English, Hindi, math, total and percentage, and there are the some names which contains the different kinds of marks, and there are the 10 different records are entered here. So at first, if you want to select anyone, suppose you have select the name, you have just double click on that. You find out a cursor is blink here. If you select 65, double click on that. If you select the whole worksheet, you have just pressed the Ctrl A. I have select and press the Ctrl A. The whole things are going to the selected. If you select, suppose if you want to select the adjacent tray, just I have hold down the shift key and I have hold down shift key and then I have click on that. This one is going to selection, this one is going to selection after clicking. Suppose I have select here, suppose again I have click on 259, the entire value is going to the selected from the beginning. Suppose I have click onto the last percentage, it is going to the make the selection of all the things. This one is the adjacent cell. Now if you have click on anyone like roll and you have pressed the control key, like right now I am pressing the control key and make the selection. This one, it's first select the Manju. Again I have click on the 54. You have may feel the gap here. What the gap here? Again I click on the Rashmi. Again I click on the 185. So this kind of selection is called non-adjacent selection, that is possible through the control key. So there are the different kinds of selection process that can be defined in the practical manner I have seen you here. Okay. So girls, you can do in the practical manner how to select all the process of the selections. Okay, in the next video lecture we have discussed about some new topic or features of Excel. Thank you and have a good day.